Sometimes reading is the best way to study, and sometimes listening just works better. Text-to-speech is for those moments, busy days on the go, tired eyes, or when you just need a different way to take information in. That's why Messenger Pigeon lets you turn your study materials into natural, easy-to-listen audio. Go ahead and open the recording you want to use. You'll see your transcripts already there waiting for you. To use this text-to-speech feature, simply highlight and hold the piece of text you want to hear and click Read. Click the three dots in the top corner to open your voice settings. You can browse different voices and even filter them by region. I'm going to use the Drake voice. It's clear and easy to follow. I also like to keep the auto scroll option on so I can follow along. Now, go back to the transcript. Highlight or hold your text, give it a moment to process that new voice, and click Read. And that's it. Have a great study session. Download the app now on App Store or Google Play, or visit www.messengerpigeon.habitatlearn.com to learn more.